Hi, it's Mike with the BBQ Depot. Today we're gonna go over why your infrared or sear burner is making like a popping or a swooshing real loud noise, kind of like a jet engine. So some of the things you need to look for: make sure there's no cracks in the side up the top here on the ceramics. This one's bent in a little bit so you can see a crack. Make sure the valve is inside here, because if it's not inside, off a little bit, you'll get a swooshing noise. And also inside the burner, there's a baffle. So if that seems to come apart anyway with the tap welds inside, your burner's not gonna get the right air mixture. And that's gonna give you this popping noise or this swooshing noise. So just again, make sure the burner's intact, no cracks. If it's a little bit dirty, what you can do is just vacuum it off, don't brush it, and make sure it's clean. Make sure that the valve is over here inside the burner, and also it could be something internal inside where the baffle has come apart and it's not letting the air flow and the air mixture correct. So if you have any other questions in regards to any of these sear burners or any other type of grill parts or grill situations you have, call us toll free 877-983-0451, or you can go to our website, thebbqdepot.com.